Hey Brooklyn and beyond, here at this Kick Studio, and I am thinking about all the baseball games that I've been to and in Brooklyn and beyond, and how much fun they are, and how much I will miss going out to see one of my favorite places to go see a baseball game in the city is actually to Coney Island to see the Cyclones play, or go up to Yankee Stadium to see the Yankees play, or to go to the Mets Stadium and go see the Mets play. And I don't know if I should say this out loud, but I don't have a favorite team at the moment. My heart kind of is with the Mariners because I'm a West Coast gal, and then the LA Dodgers, that used to be the Brooklyn Dodgers. So, yeah, don't disown me, Brooklyn. Anyways, I hope you are staying sweet, staying well, and this cookie kit is definitely going to help you this week. We are going to decorate some hats, my favorite. Oh, I forgot to put my baseball cap on. 2 seconds. All better. And now I have to change my gloves. And so, wash your hands, glove up, and let's get started. Let's all go to our own ball game. So you're going to get a couple different shapes, some hats, some circles that are going to be baseballs, and you're going to get some cards, and 3 to 4 different colors depending on which team you chose, or which teams you chose that are your favorites and your players, and some sprinkles, and some sugar. So, you want to start by mixing up your royal icing. It might have settled a little bit. And you just want to mix it up so that it is pretty much a solid color. Do that to all of them, and then you are ready to go. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial on Let's All Go to the Ballgame, because we can't. And hopefully next year it will be a different story and we'll be able to gather and cheer on our favorite players, our favorite teams at our favorite stadiums. Until then, be well, be sweet. See you later, Brooklyn and beyond.